Hello friends, I am Ashutosh Bihuprikar. In my first video, I have enlisted the brief introduction about HRD. In the recent video, I will be discussing about few of important documents in the heading of Learning Objective, Documents and Documentation. Statutory and Legal. Statutory Compliance Checklist. Model Standing Order. LTS. Agreement Copy. Board of Directors photo, address and PAN card. Appointment letter of factory manager. Factory layout. Color coding. Uniform, shoes, color coding, helmet and pipes. Register at a glance and some legal registers. Statutory compliance checklist mark date wise, month wise, PF, ESIC, professional and income tax and welfare fund contributions, submission of all records and returns. Prepared statutory compliance checklist month-wise, quarter-wise, half-yearly and yearly. The details given in this slide. Model Standing Order. Keep this document with you in English and local language. This document is published by Labor Department. Some organizations prepared by own in mutual consent / understanding with their registered unions. Purpose of model standing is this document is for maintaining law and order situation in organization. Domestic inquiry. Warning letter, show cause notice, termination letter, suspension letter, charge sheet, final report from inquiry officer and second charge sheet. LTS. Long term settlement. It's as equal to as per instruction given by model standing order with signed by management and union leaders. This is mainly prepared for productivity development or how to increase output from existing facilities with zero rejection, zero accidents like prevention and measures and it compensation or monetary benefits. LTS includes with productivity targets of individual, departmental or entire organization. It's involved in facilities of employees in form of money like monthly wages, public salary, incentives by monthly, annually, etc. Mainly, it's made for blue collar employees or unionized employees. Some additions about to maintain law and order situation and conduct domestic inquiry in organization. Board of Directors with address and PAN card. Certified copy of list of Board of Directors. Date of joining of individual directors. Responsibility of individual directors. Individual passport size photo. Permanent address with proof. Photocopy of PAN card. Specimen signature. Keep the list of left of board directors also. Appointment letter of factory manager. Factory manager is a most important and responsible person in any organization. It's for all government related activities and correspondence. He is only authorized person to sign all government correspondence or other than board of directors. He is representative of organization to face different audits of factory inspector, labor commissioner, provident fund commissioner, ESIC director, offices and all quality audits. In addition to, he is head of technical team representative in organization. Factory layout. Optimize space to organize equipments and facility movement. Safe and comfortable work environment. Pathway and air for full of ventilation and lights. Rain harvesting system for water conservation. Assembly point at the time of emergency. Security cabin, checkpoints and fire alarm system. Visitors restroom, canteen, drinking water and washroom, ladies and gents separately. Electricity DP, earthing pits, DG set, water tank, ETP and STP. OSC, occupational health centers and well equipped ambulance. Lockers, gents and ladies separated in different rooms. Crunch facility for child if contractors record room, personal files, contribution and returns. Parking 2 and 4 wheelers. Demarcated scrap material area. Color coding. Uniform, slipper, safety shoes, department and some standard colors. Likewise, helmet color for identifications, color and departmental employees. Likewise, 5 color codings are given in the slide. Register at a glance. Visit book, humidity register, a record of lime, washing, painting, report of examination of pressure vessel or plant, report of examination of water sealed gas holder, register of penitentiary holiday, overtime muster roll for the exempted workers, register for adult workers, register of young persons worker, migrant worker, register of leave with wages, health register, muster roll for adult worker, register of accident, register of dangerous occurrence, register of exemption, register of canteen committee meeting, register and prevention of sexual harassment committee meeting. Some legal register I have given in the slide as per Act, name of register, form number or rule. In my first video, I covered corporate HR. In my second video, I covered core HR. My third video, I covered other HR. And in this video, I covered statutory and legal. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care. In my upcoming video, we will meet for HR for non-HR persons. Bye.